the images, especially your main image. If you don't spend money on the images, on the photography, and have a nice clean image that pops, first of all, no one's going to click on your listing. So it doesn't matter if they see your listing, if you're doing all that keyword research to get them to the listing. If they don't like it, they don't see something that attracts them with that visual image, they're not going to click on your listing. They're not going to buy from you. So that image, especially that first one, is so very important to get them to click, and then you can work on the copywriting after that.
The most important thing is keywords, and as I talk to so many people, they seem to try and just focus on keywords that are too broad and they don't get specific enough, and then ultimately they don't work them in the title. If you can get your keywords right for, say, something, if you're trying to rank for multi-tools, rank for multi-tools for camping, and then incorporate that in the title and consistently within your listing, I think you've got a really, really good shot of being successful.
So definitely images, 100%. Not only for conversion, but that's also your place where you can get attention from the search results. So that is really your only chance to get the click, to get somebody in there. And then also using those second, third, fourth, all those images to really sell, to have information, all of that lifestyle in your photos. That is where you can really show your brand, really show the quality of your product.
Listen up. If you've been selling on Amazon for a while, you're probably owed money for lost or damaged products in their warehouses. So it's time to get paid for that. How would you like to quickly and automatically generate detailed reports for reimbursements that you can email into Amazon that are 100% compliant with Amazon's terms of service? Today's your lucky day because you can do all of this for free with Refund Genie, one of the powerful tools in Helium 10. I've gotten back over $20,000 in reimbursements. Head over to helium10.com/Refund Genie and start recouping your losses now.